Jacob and I have just spent an hour peeling and juicing. And this is for the limoncello, right, Jacob?
Yep.
He's going to go ahead and put this in the jar. And then we're going to add this grain alcohol called Everclear.
Yowza.
And
I'm not eating it.
yeah, he's not drinking it either.
I want it though.
Yeah, no you don't.
Get it.
Keep going. This will, I guess, ferment, right?
I don't know.
For 2 weeks. And then we will go ahead and combine it with a simple syrup.
Just in time for the kid's birthday party.
Exactly. This is going to be our new tradition, lemonade and limoncello.
Where's the lemonade?
Outside.
Oh.
We still have a couple more lemons to juice. Jacob is like sticky and he wants a break.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll check in 2 weeks.